The history of cryptocurrency. Now, let's take a quick look back in time to understand the history of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency's journey began in the early 1990s, when the concept of digital money started gaining traction. But the real breakthrough came in 2008, when an individual or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency. Satoshi Nakamoto's vision was to create a decentralized currency, free from government control, that could be used globally without intermediaries. In fact, the very first transaction made with Bitcoin was Pizza Day. Satoshi famously paid 10,000 BTC for 2 pizzas. At the time, that was worth just $41, but today, well, you can imagine how much that would be worth now. Early growth and other cryptocurrencies. As Bitcoin started gaining attention, other developers saw the potential of cryptocurrency and began creating their own versions. These are known as altcoins. Some of the most notable early altcoins included Litecoin, which was created by Charlie Lee in 2011, and Ripple XRP, launched in 2012. But Bitcoin still remained the leader of the pack for many years. It wasn't until around 2017 that we started seeing a boom in the number of cryptocurrencies, thanks to the explosion of initial coin offerings ICOs and increased mainstream interest. The cryptocurrency revolution. Since then, the cryptocurrency market has continued to grow at an incredible pace. Today, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique purpose, technology, and use case. Some focus on privacy, like Monero, while others enable smart contracts like Ethereum. And while Bitcoin remains the most popular cryptocurrency, others like Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Cardano have carved out their niches in the space. So that's a quick overview of what cryptocurrency is and a bit about its fascinating history. From a mysterious white paper to a multi-trillion-dollar industry, cryptocurrency has certainly made its mark on the world. It's only going to get more interesting as we move forward.